Alright guys, in this video we are gonna go ahead and swap stuff over from this one to the new intake. And let me open the box and show y'all exactly what it is. Here we have it. Alright, so I'm just gonna put as much of these fittings as possible on. Put the get that bolted up so when I get home, just gonna attach this to the car with the plenum, bolt this on, and fire it up. So let me get to work. So with this is a lot of modification. Took the fuel pressure regulator off because I got to cut this. You can see it doesn't line up with the hole where the bolt needs to go in. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off, get rid of it. So I've made progress. Actually read the instructions, okay? And from what I see, a lot of this eliminated. Ideal control valve. I think this is a switch for the heater. So I gotta figure this all out. It's all new to me, but everything that goes on the new intake is on there. These two lines are blocked. Brake booster and fuel pressure regulator. So instruction says bolt this to the car first with the thermal gasket, and then bolt this to this with a bead of gasket, whatever you have, make a silicone on here. Alright, so temp sensors in, so I'm gonna go home, hook it up, and fingers crossed, see where we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Looks like there's gonna be a part 3. Having trouble with the line going from the back of the thermostat up to the intake manifold. I got all types of hoses here, trying to figure it out. So I'm gonna end it here. Hopefully next video we see it in action. We know the car runs, just gotta plug everything back up, and there you go. You guys gonna see how this Xcessive intake manifold works on the car. All right, so thank y'all for watching as always, and catch y'all in the next video.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day.